Today we talk about the adult immunization, catch-up immunization in our service to the society about education, about the immunity and health, particularly in this pandemic situation. People have got misnomer that the immunization should be completed in childhood and it is comprehensive, gives lifelong cover, which is not true. It is based on the success of the infant and childhood immunization, but what happens as we age, the immunity depletes, and newer vaccines we are not immunized in the childhood. Furthermore, antimicrobial resistance has caused the problem. Better prevented, why to look for cure? When we come to the burden of vaccine, this is the enormous, limited availability, and the misnomer all is causing the problem. We come to the active and passive immunization, which is very important. In active immunization, you are given with the bacteria or denatured bacteria or part of bacteria or virus so that you develop immunity against it. But in passive, you are given formed antibodies in form of immunoglobulins. You may have seen with the anti-diphtheria serum, you may have seen with the anti-tetanus serum, anti-rabies immunoglobulins. These are the passive immunization. Why immunization? It is very important. If you are not immunized, you are prone to the preventable diseases. It leads to school loss, it leads to work loss, and it leads to hospitalization, cost, and further your friends and society is at danger. You may spread infections. These are the important preventable diseases. Measles, you find this is so debilitating in childhood. In adult, it is furthermore. In the diphtheria, there is the permanent as well as the temporary damage and the problem of the larynx, and sometimes it is fatal. The German measles again is causing problem in our area. Polio, it has caused the permanent as well as the acute problem, and it can lead to a work loss for life. Fortunately, polio is out nowadays. Limited thinking is to go on. Chickenpox can be prevented with active immunization. There are age group and the patient subsets in which the population subsets in which it has to be recommended. And the whooping cough, again a serious problem. It causes the laryngeal damage and further to the problem. Hepatitis A and hepatitis B, which is prevalent in certain part of the country to epidemic level, where if you are happening to go, please do take adequate immunization and save yourself. Communicable disease and vaccines, there are a list of it. TB can be prevented with the BCG vaccine. It will not cause dangerous and disseminated disease. Measles, mumps, rubella is available. It is very cheap, one-go vaccine. Chickenpox in the AS clinic patients, diabetics and other ones who are very old. Rotavirus in the childhood, and pneumococcus in the smokers and the patients of heart failure and on different diseases. Coming to the Indraprastha, this is the successful program below 6 years in which children have been given the comprehensive immunization from the government, and it is free. It has got universal coverage. Fortunately, Andhra has got adequate coverage for all our children. But coming to the achievements, what is that? It has got big achievement. It has got significant success in form of elimination of smallpox, elimination of polio, but vaccine preventable diseases which are still prevalent in the society needs to be taken care of. There are a host of optional vaccines for even children, that is the pneumococcal vaccine, typhoid vaccine, hepatitis A vaccine, chickenpox vaccine, and flu vaccine, particularly in elderly, sick and infirm, and this is the seasonal in nature. If you take it, you are adequately covered for the change of season. For adults, again, these vaccines are important. With the depleting of immunity, they can be protected further too. Indian scenario, these are the vaccines which is recommended in India for adult. Most of them are available across the counter under the adequate medical supervision, and Ramesh Hospital proudly says we hold all of them which is available all the day, and adequate certification, documentation, and the travel advisory is offered to one and all. Why this adult immunization is not successful? This is the problem which is there. That is the cause of our effort to develop this video. Unfortunately, it is not funded by anybody. There is very limited understanding and urge from the public to come forward and prevent the preventable diseases which can be prevented by simple vaccines. There is a public awareness is very limited. Even the educated people have got misnomers. And the vaccine availability is a challenge. So is the procurement and adequate storage in our hospital, in the view of the maintenance of cold chain right from the manufacturer to the point of delivery. The cost of vaccine is not much in today's scenario. Coming to a very important scientific study which has been published in America, the cheapest vaccine, tetanus type toxoid, was assessed the public awareness of this. What the people have thought of from the beginning, that it is very difficult to take it, very dangerous, it can be given only during the sickness. There was misnomer as that it is a very costly vaccine which is costing less than 10 rupees in India and less than $1 in USA. I invite all my friends to join for the adult immunization program. It is important. The limited armor, which is very important, it is the catch-up program. Catch-up program, people who have been immunized, they can be given the immunizations which they have not given to, or the newer vaccines. This is available across the board. We are providing it to the masses, and we giving certification and the documentation also. And this is freely available, and we invite our people to get in a benefit of it. I will request you to kindly give your feedback on this video. We will be coming out with the further video in the service of masses. Jai Hind, great healthy India.